Heya! So today I'm doing some solo travel to Arashiyama in Kyoto, and I'm going to see the Koyo Illuminations there, but I'm also hoping to have time to see the monkeys and the bamboo forest there as well. The weather is due to be a little bad today, but I can't really do anything about that, so if the footage is a little rainy or a little grey, I'm sorry. But apart from that, I think it should be a great day. So let's go to Kyoto. So I made it to Arashiyama, and as predicted, it is raining pretty heavily. But it's really beautiful. I don't know if you can see this tree behind me, but like, look at these autumn colors. Wow. Gorgeous. You can probably hear the rain a lot as well, so I'm sorry. Anyway, let's find the main street. Isn't it lovely? Look at that. Freaking gorgeous, right? So this is the main street of Arashiyama, which is also pretty famous. As you can see, it has a lot of traditional shops and a lot of omiyage shops. So here's a map, and there is the monkey park, which I think we're gonna go to first. Let's see if we can find it, yeah? So I found the Arashiyama monkey park. Pretty damn easy to find. We just gotta go up here. Let's go find some monkeys. So here we go, I'm going to the monkey park. Here's my ticket. Apparently it takes about 20 minutes to walk up here to the monkeys. And they said to be careful because it's slippery when wet. Uh-oh. So we made it to the top, and it turns out that apart from monkeys, this place has an incredible view of Kyoto. So let's have a look. We're about 160 meters above sea level right now. Pretty nice, right? And we've got a little wet friend here. I found a monkey friend. He's a little wet, but he seems pretty happy. They're lovely hands. They're so gorgeous. Oh, you've got a very kind friend. Oh, there's a baby down there. Hey, baby. Hello. Amazing. Aren't you beautiful? This one's a little smarty. He's found an umbrella. Good job. Is that your baby? Very beautiful. This little guy is guarding the exit. Oh no, he's gonna let me go. Update, I'm still very much rocking the drowned rat look. I'm just waiting in a rest stop now to cool down a little before I carry on the journey down, and I thought I would talk a bit about how I feel about this monkey park kind of thing. I just loved it. It was absolutely gorgeous. The monkeys just roam around freely. They don't seem to mind people at all. Although of course there are rules like don't look them in the eye, don't crouch down, don't get too close, and don't touch them. But for the most part they just walk around completely unbothered by people. It was really cool. You can feed them if you want to. You can just like observe them. They have babies there as well. Like the babies were practicing climbing trees and stuff. It was just so cute. Like unbelievable, really magical. So I just had lunch in a super cute little diner, and I am about to go outside and brave the cold again. And unbelievably, it looks like it's raining even more than ever. So wish me luck. Okay, so I'm outside again now, and next on the agenda is to find the bamboo forest, which I'm really looking forward to. Not quite sure where it is, but I'm sure I can find it. I found the sign. Let's go. So we're here in the path of bamboo, as I'm sure you can see over here. It's incredible. It's so tall. Can't believe it. You guys, just look how tall this is. Wow. So this is the famous Togetsu Bridge. I'm about to go onto it because the illuminations start in just over an hour, and I want to be ready and standing on the bridge for when they start. I'm not sure which is going to be the best view, from here with the bridge in the foreground or from on the bridge, but I'm gonna take a gamble and try out on the bridge. So cross your fingers that I get some good footage. Okay, let's get on that bridge. So I've made it to the bridge, and I think I've got a pretty good spot. Here's the autumn leaves. They're looking pretty nice. I will update you guys as it gets darker. So I tried going up on the bridge, but it doesn't look like that's going to be the best angle, so I've come down to the side of the bridge, and I'm hoping that this will be better when the lights come on. It's so hard to tell what's going to be best, but hopefully I've got it right. So it's getting a lot darker, and it's also a lot colder, and honestly I kind of just want to go home, but I'm not missing these illuminations. I'm gonna see them and I'm gonna film them, so wish me luck. We have about 5 minutes to go until the lights turn on, but I'm not sure we'll be able to see them great at first because it's still a bit too light, I think. So I'm not sure when I'll end up leaving. But yeah, fingers crossed we see some illuminations soon. Hiya! Final update with the bridge in the background. I stayed for the illuminations, as you will have seen in the previous footage, and to me they were kind of meh. Definitely not the best part of my day. The monkey park and the bamboo forest were like absolutely incredible, so I highly recommend Arashiyama just for those things. And especially if you're into kind of old-fashioned style things, or like old Japanese culture, this whole town is kind of themed like that. So it was a really amazing experience. But yeah, the illuminations were okay, but I think it's also, I'm very, very cold and very tired, and I just want to go home and crawl into bed with a hot water bottle. So I'm going to do that, and maybe I'll feel differently about it tomorrow. But that's it for today, and I really hope you enjoyed coming with me to Kyoto, and I will talk to you later. Bye!